Welcome to Pinoy Good Eats. For our second episode, I will be teaching you on how to cook Lechon Baka. Here are the ingredients. .5 kilograms thigh part of beef, 2 teaspoons garlic powder, 2 teaspoon onion powder, 2 teaspoon finely grounded black pepper, 120 ml soy sauce, 120 ml liquid seasoning, 3/4 cup olive oil, 3.5 teaspoon meat tenderizer seasoned, 1 cup pineapple juice, 5 pieces calamansi, 1 bottle Sprite, 75 ml oyster sauce. Mix the ingredients. Mix more to incorporate the ingredients. With a large meat syringe, inject sauce or marinade to the meat. Place the meat on the large skewers for cooking. You can use a pole and tie the meat as alternative. Inject more sauce of the meat and let it marinate for at least 2 hours. On a roasting bin with hot coal, roast the meat while turning it regularly. Cook for 1 to 2 hours. If you like the video, give it a like and hit the subscribe button. Slowly slice the cooked part and let the uncooked part continue cooking. Slice thinly. And place Lechon Baka sauce. For the next episode, I will be teaching you on how to make the secret Lechon Baka sauce. Thank you for watching. Good food, good eats.